Need to cancel your T-Mobile service? Here's the fastest way in late 2025. Use the My T-Mobile app or website. Log in, go to Account, then Plan and Services, and select Cancel Line. Follow the prompts, confirm your reason for leaving, and pay any outstanding balance for devices or fees. You'll get a confirmation email within minutes. Alternatively, call 1-800-T-Mobile or visit a store with your ID, but the online method is generally quicker and easier, with processing times under 5 minutes. Remember to port your number to another carrier before canceling if you want to keep it. Before you cancel, understand a few crucial points. First, check if you have a postpaid or prepaid account, as early termination fees may apply to some postpaid plans, especially those with device financing promotions. If you are financing a device, you'll need to pay it off or return it. Also, be aware of potential retention offers. T-Mobile might try to keep you with discounts. Finally, under U.S. telecom laws, your cancellation must be honored within 24 hours. By being prepared and understanding these factors, you can ensure a smooth cancellation without unexpected charges or service disruptions.